We are Indtech Marketing. A name synonymous with quality and eminence in the furnace spares industry. Founded in 1994 under the leadership of Mr. Anish Malvania, Indtech has grown into an industry leader, serving clients in more than 30 countries. From day one, our focus has been on relentless innovation, evolving into a one-stop solution for all your furnace spare needs. Located in the vibrant state of Gujarat, Indtech is strategically connected to the world, ensuring seamless service and delivery. Our company's model code, built on diligence, humility, honesty, and coordination, drives our team to deliver efficient solutions tailored to meet each client's unique requirements. With over 30 years of experience, Indtech's strategic approach blends expert insights with global resources, guaranteeing superior quality and reliability in every product we offer. Product portfolio: Induction coil cradle assemblies, induction coils and turns, furnace top blocks and bottom rings, furnace semiconductors and control PCBs, medium frequency water-cooled capacitors, lamination yokes, water-cooled cables, furnace changeover switches, capacitor cut-off switches, electrical and thermal insulation materials. Our mission is precision and our vision is quality. Indtech Marketing, your trusted partner in furnace spares, delivering beyond expectations for over 30 years.